Imagine waking up in 2030 and discovering your job no longer exists. Not because you were fired, but because an AI can now do it better, faster, and for pennies. Sound like science fiction? It's already happening. Radiologists, paralegals, customer service reps, and even software developers are watching AI master their skills in real time. The question isn't if AI will change work, it's whether you'll be ready when it does. The reality check. What's actually happening right now? AI isn't coming for jobs in 2030. It's already here, and it's already working. Right now, AI systems are writing articles, diagnosing diseases, driving cars, and replacing workers. Goldman Sachs estimates that AI could impact 300 million jobs globally within the next decade. The experts are divided into two camps. One side predicts mass unemployment and economic chaos. The other says AI will create more jobs than it destroys, like every technological revolution before it. The truth? It's probably somewhere in the middle, and messier than either side admits. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. Certain jobs are absolutely on the chopping block. Before we dive into which jobs are disappearing, here's what nobody's talking about. The jobs AI creates might require skills you don't have yet, and the clock is ticking faster than most people realize. Stay with me, because what comes next determines whether you're thriving in 2030 or scrambling to stay relevant. Jobs at highest risk, the danger zone. Data entry clerks are essentially extinct already. If your job involves copying information between systems, AI has been doing it better for years, but the risk extends far beyond the obvious. Customer service representatives face an existential crisis. AI chatbots now handle complex queries, understand emotion in text, and switch between languages instantly. Klarna replaced 700 customer service agents with an AI handling the same volume. The AI works 24/7, never takes breaks, never has bad days, and costs a fraction of human workers. Paralegals and legal researchers are watching AI systems analyze thousands of legal documents in seconds, work taking human teams weeks. These systems understand legal concepts, precedents, and draft preliminary documents. Junior lawyers who spent years doing document review are discovering their entry path has vanished. Radiologists see AI detecting cancers and abnormalities in medical imaging with accuracy matching or exceeding human doctors. It never gets tired, never misses details at the end of a 12-hour shift, and processes thousands of scans daily. The job won't disappear completely, but demand will plummet. Truck drivers, 3.5 million jobs in the US alone, face automation through self-driving technology. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are investing billions in autonomous trucks. The technology doesn't need to be perfect by 2030 to start replacing drivers on simple highway routes. Accountants and bookkeepers watch AI handle tax preparation, financial forecasting, and routine accounting with minimal oversight. The next generation of software will make even specialized accounting work obsolete for routine tasks. The pattern? If your job is repetitive, data-based, or follows clear rules, AI is coming for it, fast. Jobs AI can't replace yet. Before you panic, here's the other side. There are jobs AI struggles with and will continue struggling with for decades. Creative and strategic roles remain largely human territory. AI can generate art and writing, but lacks human experience, cultural context, and emotional depth that defines truly innovative work. A graphic designer who understands brand psychology and client emotions won't be replaced by an AI making pretty pictures. Marketing strategists crafting campaigns based on human behavior are safe, for now. Skilled trades like electricians, plumbers, and construction workers are incredibly safe. These jobs require physical presence, problem-solving in unpredictable environments, and manual dexterity in chaotic conditions. AI and robotics aren't close to replacing a plumber diagnosing a leak in a 100-year-old building with weird pipe configurations. The physical world is messy, and AI hates mess. Healthcare providers, doctors, nurses, therapists, surgeons require human judgment, empathy, and physical skills AI can't replicate. AI will assist these professionals, but patients want human doctors who understand their fears and provide emotional support. AI analyzes data. It can't hold your hand when you're scared. Teachers aren't going anywhere. AI can deliver information and grade tests, but education is about mentorship, inspiration, and adapting to individual student needs. In real time, great teachers read the room and connect emotionally. AI tutors will supplement teachers, not replace them. Therapists and social workers work in the realm of human emotion, trauma, and complex interpersonal dynamics. AI can't replicate genuine empathy, lived experience, or the therapeutic relationship essential to mental health treatment. The pattern? Jobs requiring creativity, physical adaptability, emotional intelligence, and complex human interaction are relatively safe. The jobs that don't exist yet. Here's where it gets wild. The World Economic Forum estimates 97 million new jobs will be created by AI and automation. Jobs that don't exist today? Just like social media manager wasn't a job in 1990, there are careers emerging we can barely imagine. AI trainers and ethicists will be in massive demand. Someone needs to teach AI systems and ensure they're making ethical decisions. Prompt engineers, people skilled at communicating with AI, already command six-figure salaries. Data annotators will label the massive data sets AI needs to learn. Robotics maintenance technicians will repair the physical machines AI controls. The future of work isn't humans versus AI, it's humans working with AI. And people who master that collaboration will dominate the job market. How to survive. The experts agree on several strategies. First, become AI literate. You don't need to code, but understand what AI can and can't do and how to leverage it in your field. This is like learning computers in the 1980s. Those who adapted thrived. Those who refused became obsolete. Second, double down on uniquely human skills. Emotional intelligence, creativity, critical thinking, and complex problem-solving are your competitive advantages. These are skills AI struggles with. Develop them relentlessly. Third, stay adaptable. The 40-year career in one field is dying. Plan to retrain, pivot, and learn new skills multiple times. Lifelong learning isn't optional anymore, it's survival. Fourth, focus on jobs combining technical and human skills. AI handles routine tasks, but humans handle exceptions, strategy, and relationship management. Be the person who understands both technology and the human side. Finally, consider future-proof industries. Healthcare, renewable energy, AI development, cybersecurity, skilled trades, education, and creative fields are growing. If you're choosing a career or considering a switch, these sectors offer the most security. The uncomfortable truth. Will AI replace most jobs by 2030? The honest answer, it's complicated. AI will eliminate millions of jobs, that's certain, but it will also create millions of new ones and make existing jobs more productive. The real question is whether the transition happens faster than society can adapt. History offers some comfort. When ATMs were introduced, people predicted the end of bank tellers. Instead, teller jobs initially increased because banks could open more branches cheaply, but that transition took decades. AI is moving faster, much faster. The winners in 2030 won't be people with the safest jobs. They'll be people who adapted fastest. They'll be the ones who saw AI as a tool, not a threat, and learned to wield it. They'll be workers who combine technical skills with creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking AI can't replicate. The future of work isn't predetermined. It's being written right now by the choices we make today. The question isn't whether AI will change your job. It will. The question is whether you're preparing for that change or pretending it won't happen to you. Because 2030 is closer than you think. And the AI systems that will reshape your career are already learning, already improving, and already replacing someone, somewhere, right now. The clock is ticking. What are you going to do about it? Are you ready for 2030? Drop a comment with your job and whether you think AI will impact it. Let's talk.